Ever wished you could transfer some of your EBT funds to Cash App for easier spending? While a direct transfer isn't possible due to EBT regulations, there are a couple of workarounds to access your funds as cash. Let's break them down, step by step. Step 1. Identify retailers offering cash back. Many grocery stores and some other retailers allow you to get cash back when using your EBT card for a purchase. Start by making a small purchase, like a candy bar or a can of soup. Step 2. Request cash back. At the checkout, inform the cashier that you want to get cash back. The amount you can withdraw varies by store, typically ranging from $20 to $100. Step 3. Receive your cash. The cashier will hand you the cash. Now you have physical money to work with. Step 4. Add the cash to your Cash App balance. Open your Cash App and tap on the Banking tab, usually located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Step 5. Select Add Cash. Choose the Add Cash option. Step 6. Enter the amount. Type in the exact amount of cash you received from the store. Step 7. Confirm the transaction. Confirm the transaction by following the on-screen prompts, often requiring a Touch ID or PIN verification. And that's it. Your EBT funds are now and directly transferred to your Cash App balance, ready to be used for online purchases, sending money to friends, or anything else Cash App allows. Remember to check with your local stores for their cash back policies and maximum limits.